Afternoon guys, and welcome to another video for Advanced in Car. I'm James, and today we're doing a security video. So this is a 2021 Toyota Yaris, but it's the GR. It's a little sports, I was going to say buggy then, that's ridiculous. It's just a little sports car that is like a little car on rails, and they are very nippy but also quite desirable. So what we've done is we've fitted the Autowatch Ghost product to it. Obviously for confidentiality and everything else, we can't show exactly what we do, but we show what happens by when you enter the code, the engine's starting, and when you don't enter the code, what the engine's going to do. So basically it means that if somebody tried to steal this, even with the keys, they're not going to be able to. Right, so at the moment the ignition is switched off. Now up on the instrument cluster you've got the little red flashing logo. That is telling you that the vehicle immobiliser is active, and there's a padlock there as well as a car, as if to say that you're not going anywhere unless you have the keys. In normal operation the keys would then be, it's keyless start, so you would put your clutch down, press the start stop button on the dashboard, and away you go. But the Autowatch Ghost Immobiliser will block all of that, and you can decide with a multitude of different buttons that you can set within the car which you want to turn off the immobiliser. This is not just one button. You could set this to 4 different buttons, 6 different buttons. You could have a process. You can make it as complicated as you want to. But just for the example or the demonstration purposes here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the ignition, which is a double press of the button here. The little red flashing light disappears because, in fact, it knows, it recognises the car key. But if I don't enter the special code, I'm going to dip the clutch like so, and I'm going to start the car. Oh, I can't start the car. I've got my clutch down, I'm pressing the button, and the engine will not start at all whatsoever. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just turn off the ignition. I'm going to open and shut the driver's door. I'm going to turn on my ignition, and you can see the red flashing light is still there on the dashboard. I'm going to enter now my preset button sequence, which again, we've just done it simply here just for demonstration purposes, not that you're going to see it anyway. And I'm going to then wait for the confirmation. Okay, the confirmation was then of a beep, audible beep, and 2 button flashes, and then I'm going to start my engine. There we go. Engine is started, got the rev counter going up there, and we're all done and dusted. So, in simple terms, the Ghost Immobiliser has been around for a little while now. It's a very simple device, but very, very clever. It blocks the standard immobilisation sequence and procedure, and allows us to set a personal code for the driver. So when we hand over to this customer, we will then change the code to something that he wants, whether it be 4, 6 or 8 digits or however many he wants, and using a different multitude of buttons within this vehicle. So that makes it almost impossible to be able to guess. But that's the reason why we do so many of these Autowatch Ghost products, because they are absolutely fantastic. So if you've got a car like this, or any car that you want to protect from theft, even if someone has stolen your keys, then get in touch with us. We're www.advanced-incar.co.uk. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends and family, and if you want a security product or anything else, then please get in touch with us. Thanks for watching.